Welcome to the Angular and Spring Boot course. As an introduction, here's the course development team, Harinath Kuntamakala and myself, Shad Darby. We've created a number of popular Spring courses, and now we're teaming up again to create another fun course for you. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and look at our course objective. So our main objective here is to build a full stack application with Angular and Spring Boot. So we'll have Angular on the front end, we'll have Spring Boot on the back end, and they'll communicate with each other using a REST API. And then in the background, we'll have a database and we'll have full CRUD support for the database. And then in terms of prerequisites, you should already have prior experience with Java, Spring Boot, and also Maven. So if you've taken one of my previous courses before, the Spring and Hibernate for Beginners course, then you're already set up. If not, then you should go off and learn those appropriate technologies. But there's no prior experience needed for Angular. We'll actually teach you Angular from the beginnings. So just a heads up, it's not an A to Z coverage of Angular, but enough to build full stack apps. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and look at our course roadmap. So we'll start with an Angular overview, and then we'll set up our development environment. Next, we'll have a TypeScript crash course, and then we'll have an Angular crash course. Next, we'll pull all this together and we'll build a real-time e-commerce application. So we'll build the Angular front end, and then we'll make use of Spring Boot on the back end. So in terms of source code and PDFs, all source code is available for download, and also all the PDFs of the slides are also available for download. In the next lecture, I'll actually give you links on how to download those resources. And then also, if you have questions or you need help, simply post your question in the classroom discussion forum, and then we'll get back to you shortly. Okay, that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.